Hi, my name is Aida Nazura. I am a first-year student from School of Physics under the program Medical Physics.
Hi, my name is Alia Najwa binti Isara. I am a first-year student from School of Physics under program Medical Physics.
Hi, I am Nur Ezamani Muhammad Zubir, also the first-year student of School of Physics under Medical Physics program.
HA399, taxi via Delta Alpha and hold short of Juliet. ZCA135, contact tower 23.9.
Contacting tower 239.
She's all yours, buddy.
Okay. ZCA135, awaiting final runway clearance.
ZCA135, line up runway 22 right. Clear for takeoff. Contact departures 3501 airborne.
ZCA135, clear for takeoff.
Have you ever wondered how do pilots navigate through the sky? I mean, there are no highways or traffic lights, but there are clouds. Maybe you've heard something about radar. The word radar stands for radio detection and ranging. We can see objects in the world because light reflects off them into our eyes. The light beam travels, reflects off objects and bounces back in your eyes. Then your brain will instantly compute what this means. Radar works in much the same way. Radar is a bit like echolocation system. The airplane transmit an intermittent radar beams and listen out of any reflection of that beam from nearby objects. If reflections are detected, then the plane knows something is nearby and it uses the time taken for the reflection to arrive to figure out how far away it is. To be more precise on how radar works, an equipment called a magnetron produces radio waves, and radio waves used by radar typically range from a few centimeters to a meter. Once the radio wave have been generated, an antenna working as a transmitter hurls them into air in front of it. The curved antenna focuses the wave into precise narrow beam, and they also rotate so they can detect movement over a large area. The radio waves travel outward from the antenna and it keeps going until it hits something. Then, some of the radio waves are reflected back to the antenna in a beam of reflected radio waves. Using radar, an operator can see any nearby ships or planes, where they are, how quickly they are traveling, and where they are heading.
Air Traffic Control or ATC is a service provided by ground-based air traffic controllers who direct aircraft on the ground and through controlled airspace, and can provide advisory services to aircraft in non-controlled airspace. Air traffic controllers monitor the location of aircraft in their assigned airspace by radar and communicate with the pilot by the radios. In many countries, ATC provides services to all private, military and commercial aircraft operating within its airspace. The advantages of ATC are to prevent collisions, organize and expedite the flow of air traffic, and provide information and other supports for pilots. In some countries, ATC plays a security or defensive role, which is operated by the military. The common problems faced by an ATC are traffic, weather and air congestions. There will be communication through radio by the pilots in the cockpit, the ATC tower and the satellite, which intends giving pings or signals in the form of radio to assign the flight's location or altitude, the weather such as storm or heavy rain ahead, and the air traffic itself.
ZCA135 takes off. EA39.
Before this presentation ends, let us see how the missing flight MH370 gone missing, which can be related to this topic.
Years ago, flight MH370 took off for Beijing. 40 minutes later, it reached the edge of Malaysian airspace.
Malaysian 370, contact Ho Chi Minh 120.9.
These are the last words heard from the aircraft. All contact is lost. MH370 vanishes.
Hence, Malaysia Airlines issued a media statement that Flight 370 was missing when losing navigational waypoint in South China Sea between Malaysia and Vietnam.